Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel on the 530i V8 manual, the M60 B30. So I bought this car actually to replicate the car that I have before, back in the college time in '95. I bought this particular car last year in July 2018 and restored the engine, fixing all the electricals, and done some modification on the cars. So I put 18-inch the Empire wheels, M-Tech body kits, and side marker like a USDM. Also installed the M5 mirror, racing seats, red seat belts, the BMW Motorsports, and using the M5 knobs with center consoles and OBC button, and also the M-Tech steering wheels. All the interiors are pretty much in black colors because I like black color. And I've done the audio also. I put subwoofers underneath the seats and replace all the speakers. Yeah, it sounds good. Also, it free up the trunk space. By the way, I'm sorry if the car is a bit dirty because I haven't washed the car for a week, and I've been using the car for the whole week to work. This is the trunk. Yeah, I still have this CD changer working. I've got this first aid kit. It's a genuine one from Germany. Toolkit, pretty much all complete. Well, I guess pretty much all complete. The mirror, the spoiler. I'm using the M5 from Hella. The car has been chipped up and can go more than 7,000 RPM and running very well with no electrical issues. The next modification that I will do will be on the maybe on the big brake kit. And this is the engine. The engine pretty much clean. It's not salon clean, but at least it's not so dirty. No oil leaks. And all running okay. The fuse also all running well. Change the filter, the air filter to K&N. The spring I'm using the H&R sport kit, but I cut the spring one coil each to have it even lowered because I like it. It touches the fenders. For the rear wheels, rear tires, the rear rims, I add spacers about 2.5 centimeters, so it brings the wheels out. And I shave the fenders here, so it has a more space, more clear space for the rims. For rear tires, I'm using 265 35 18. For the front one, 235 40 18-inch. Yeah, driving the car every day to work, almost every day, and also to do some visit to my customers. I really enjoy it, except in traffic, because yeah, it's manual. So a bit tired on the clutch when when we have a traffic jam, but it's all worth it. Again, really enjoy it. The time I spent on this car. That's all I want to share to you, and hope you enjoy the videos, and keep E34 rolling. Thanks and see ya.